So as you're watching this series, and I recommend that you go back and start at the beginning, when the site was untouched, when it was just grass and blackberries and deer trails here. As you move forward and you're watching the way that I'm doing this, you know, blow by blow, step by step, choice by choice, here's something you have to keep in mind every second. That I'm not doing this in the only right way. What I'm doing this, the choices that I make when I'm doing this are the choices that I'm making right here on this site, this house plan, this part of the country, in this real estate market for this particular purpose. Now, I have a lot of good friends here in the construction industry, and I have good friends in different parts of the country where I've worked in the past. And any one of them might approach any one of these tasks differently and might be able to stand there and defend it. I mean, remember what C.S. Lewis said, or what he quoted, that two of a trade never agree? You can talk to fully qualified builders on any given topic and they're going to have different opinions, probably. In fact, there have been jobs, I've done lots of jobs, where in a situation similar to any particular situation you see on this house, I may have chosen a different solution to a similar problem for any number of reasons. What I hope you come away from this series with is a big picture, a clearer big picture understanding of how a house goes together, of how different trades interact with each other, of when a different trade should show up and when one man's work is going to really complicate another guy's effort. And so sort of just an understanding of the components of a project like this rather than an answer to every individual choice that is going to be encountered. Because what we don't want at the end of this is for you to hire a contractor to build something for you and have him hear, well, Wadsworth did it like this. If he comes with something that's different, you need to hear him out. Because in your situation, in your market, in your climate, with your materials, he may be absolutely right. What we're trying to do is just give you the tools to make an intelligent assessment of what needs to happen where you're at, building what you might be building or what your neighbor might be building, rather than an answer book to the test that you haven't even sat down to take yet. As you're watching these videos, take a little time to read the comments, because there's lots of comments there from very qualified people. A wide range of comments and a wide range of ideas, and sometimes they're contradictory to what you just watched me do, which illustrates my point, that there's more than one way to skin a cat, and two of a trade never agree. And you, when you're done with this series, hopefully will have a broad enough sort of a global understanding of how a house can be built to, with the right input, be able to determine which choice is best to solve your problem. The costs of this project are available to our supporters. Check the details in the notes. Really appreciate you watching us. Really appreciate you telling your friends. Thank you. And as always, keep up the good work.